voting is one of the most abused and neglected privileges and rights that Americans have. Here in the state of Mississippi, especially among African American voters, it is at the level that it should be literally considered sinful for the number of people that have suffered, bled, and died for us to have this right, and also for the number of rights that have been won that are being systematically rolled back, such as the right to vote. Voter apathy is one of the precursors to the loss of a democracy. And when people do not exercise their right to vote, then they're allowing the will of others to control their destinies. Young people in America, in particular in Mississippi, those of color, you really need to stop and think about what it is that you're not doing when you do not vote. By not voting, if we do not vote in this upcoming election, we will be allowing the same systematic rape of public funds that has been going on now for decades. We know that public funds are being stolen, misused, misappropriated, and these are funds that are desperately needed. Funds that are needed by the poor, working mothers on TANF, poor children. The healthcare system is atrocious. The way that the healthcare system is being denied federal dollars that could otherwise help to save the number of rural hospitals that are being systematically closed, and the other 35 that are being that they're saying that could be closed within the next several months. There's a question that has been bothering me for some time, and that question simply is this: what is it going to take to make poor people stop voting against their own self-interest? What is it that's going to make people understand that being poor is being poor, whether you're black, whether you're white, whether you're Hispanic, whether you're Native American? If you're poor in the state of Mississippi, you're just poor. We need to get out and vote now for the safety, for the sake of your future, for the sake of your unborn children, even for the sake of your grandmothers, the sake of your grandfathers. It's a shame that in some counties here in Mississippi, the being very young and being very sick can cost you your life because of the distance that you have to go in order to be treated. It's a shame that in some places here in Mississippi, to have a heart attack, you can literally die before you can get to a hospital where you can be treated. That is the kind of stuff that happens in third world countries. It should not be happening in the richest nation in the world. Brothers and sisters, get out and vote. When will we ever stop voting against our own best interest? If you're poor, vote for those that are advocating for the poor.